Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do Aquarius weekly reading for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So guys, take what resonate and leave the rest. So your messages, Aquarius, for the week, and your first card, Judgment, Six of Wands. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, definitely you will get success almost in every area of your life, definitely, because you are abundant. Yeah, you are working towards stability in career wise, financially, definitely you will get. And six of wands, you will get success, definitely. You are working towards your goals and careers, definitely you will get success. Or if you're working towards your career, a relationship, you want relationship with your person, definitely that will also get stability, because judgment is all is there. You will get justice, definitely. In career wise and relationship wise also, there is some positive moment in your life, Aquarius. Let's see some more what is going. Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. So in relationship wise, in career wise, definitely you're getting stability. Yeah, you are more focused on your career and goals. In relationship wise, I am getting someone is walked away from this connection. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. But some communication is coming in your way after the separation. For some, there is no contact or less contact. Those who are in not separation, definitely will get receive some communication. Yeah, because Page of Wands and Page of Pentacles, these are communication cards. You are going to communicate your person, or your person maybe communicate you, definitely. Energy could be vice versa. There will be some communication. Let's see. Tower, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Yeah, after the separation, there is some tower moment. Either could be in your life or in your personal life, definitely there will be some tower moment. And Knight of Pentacles, definitely very slow moving energy. One person moving towards the person, but it is very very slow moving energy. And Page of Swords, Page of Swords means spying on social media, definitely communication. Your person may be spying on you, or you may be spying on your person's social media. Definitely there is some spying going between both of you after the separation, but some communication is going to be happen. So let's see some more. Three of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, one person in this connection is juggling. I think one person is more focused on career. Definitely one person in this connection, it could be your person. And one person in this connection could be very sharing and very loving person in this connection. I think it could be you, Aquarius. Yeah, you're always there for a partnership, working together, but now your person want to work on this relationship. Yeah, they want collaboration with you. Still one person is at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. Two of Pentacles is here. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings towards you. Four of Wands, Eight of Wands. Wow. The Devil. Capricorn, you or your person could be. I think a lot of earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So definitely you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, your person want this celebration with you. Definitely there is some positive moment will come in your relationship, because Eight of Wands is positive changes and there is fast changes. Eight of Wands and communication. Definitely your person want to communicate you. They want to express their feelings. Yeah. communication. You will get some communication. Definitely a lot of communication cards are there. And yeah, there is some obsession going between both of you. Your person may be obsessively thinking about you. There is some obsession. Due to obsession, there is some deception also in this connection. That's why for some there is separation is happened between both of you. So let's see your person in future actions towards you, Aquarius. Five of Swords, Ace of Swords, Ten of Cups. Wow. Yeah, there are some disagreements between both of you. Five of Swords, some fighting. They want to end this fighting. Further, they want to communicate you. Ace of Swords, new beginning. They want new beginnings with you and truth coming out. And the end of the day, they want this happiness with you. Ten of Cups, happy family. Yeah, definitely they want to commit to you. They want to marry you. They want to propose you. Yeah. Definitely, they want reconciliation with you. Now they want to work on this relationship, Aquarius. After the separation, definitely. But you will get justice, Aquarius, because judgment is here, definitely. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Three of Cups and Four of Swords came in reverse. So let's see. Actually don't read, but it will get some correct meaning, that's why. Okay, Princess of Cups, Five of Cups. Yeah, there is separation between both of you still going for some. Yeah, but one person feeling very sad for the separation happened between both of you. And Four of Swords in reverse means some communication will open up. Four of Sides upright means not talking to anyone. They are undergoing some healing process. I think one person in this connection completed the healing process and open up. Definitely some communication will open up between both of you very soon, and you both will communicate. Definitely there will reconciliation will happen. And Princess of Cups, definitely both have strong emotions for each other. I think there for some there is reconciliation will happen because you both feel these are connection cards. You both feel sad for the separation. Yeah, you both will communicate soon. So your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. See, Five of Cups, the Magician, and Temperance, and Knight of Wands. Definitely there is no patience and balance in past, but you are now balanced. Definitely now you are stand by your power. And Magician, definitely you want to manifest this connection again. Definitely you are manifesting something big in your life, Aquarius. And Five of Cups, definitely you are manifesting your person back. You are feeling sad for the separation. Already connection gods we got. Five of Cups, you both feel sad for the separation. Okay, your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Sagittarius, fire sign. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, Princess of Wands, and King of Pentacles. Yeah, there are very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion. And Queen of Swords with Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you. Yeah, and they want to express their feelings. I think communication, lot of communication cards here. I think you both will communicate back and forthly in the coming week. You will get communication from your person, and because Queen of Swords with Knight of Swords communication cards, I think this time your person may be expressing their feelings to you very honestly. They want to express their real feelings to you. In past they may be not expressing their feelings because they are having some hard time to express their feelings. Now they want to express their feelings. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy. So I am seeing here Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus also, earth energy, but lot of water energy and air energy is here. Yeah, you both will communicate and you both feeling very sad for the separation. Definitely most of you will reconcile in near future. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and please do support me guys. and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.